Okay, in this video we're checking out the XK A120. This is the A380 or the Airbus A380 model. I did a review on a cargo plane with similar features to this. I'll put a link to that video in the description, the card in the corner, so you can check out the details on how it functions, because this functions exactly the same. It's just the foam is different, the body is different. So it uses differential thrust, two motors in the back for turning left and right. You have throttle for speed, and then you have elevator control, which is in the back here, and it keeps the plane level. There's a gyro on here that will actually keep the plane nice and level. So it's going to be really good for beginners. That's pretty much it. And there's another model that's pretty similar to this as well. If you like the Boeing 787, I believe, another passenger airplane, similar foam and function as well. And I'll also put that down in the description as well. I'm not going to be reviewing that one because it looks pretty much exactly the same as this one. Now there's a little bit of wind today. Flying something like this is probably not ideal in windy conditions, so we'll see how it performs with the stabilizer and everything to keep it nice and level. But we'll see how it goes. Turn on the controller first, and then we'll turn on the airplane, put it on a level surface so they can calibrate the gyro. And then we see the elevator in the back is flat. We'll go ahead and take it off here from the concrete. You can fly it around on the concrete, and I don't think it'll steer too well though. Let's see here. Okay, you can steer it a little bit. On a flat surface, you can do a little bit of steering. Let's go ahead and take it off. So the elevator control is a little bit sensitive. I think it has more to do with the controller. And now we have a little bit of wind picking up here. That's not too bad in the wind. Oh, it's almost hit the ground there. Yeah, this is definitely not recommended to fly in wind. Wind's kind of coming and going. It's pretty windy right now. It was calm just a few moments ago, but not bad for this wind. Probably hear the wind in the camera microphone. Alright, going downwind, not good. Gotta bring it back. You don't have as much authority going downwind as upwind. Yeah, it doesn't want to turn. So it'd be best to keep it kind of higher up in there. Yeah, you can see now it's kind of stalling out there. So to give it a little more throttle. Yeah, so I think it'll be good for beginners, but I think you better keep it in non-windy conditions. And if you're a little more experienced, you should be able to handle the wind. So far, no crashing yet. It's a little bit tricky. Turn it harder when you go downwind. It does seem to turn quicker. It does make it kind of exciting. Flight time is pretty long, actually. I'm surprised it's still going. It's a little tiny one, has battery in there. Okay, I can start to feel the power go a little bit here. So we're near the end of the battery. I'll go ahead and land it here. This ought to be interesting. Let's see if I can land it without wrecking it. That wind is crazy. There we go. Not too bad. Yeah, so it's a pretty inexpensive model. It's like 40 bucks. Flies pretty good. And with a stabilizer, I think in non-windy conditions it'll be better for, obviously for beginners. But yeah, I like the scale looks of this. It looks really nice. And it looks like a lot of fun for the money. So yeah, put a link down in the description if you guys want to check it out. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.